I will explain about how we can able to create the ceiling based families. Okay, right. So first of all, I can go to choose new to families. Here I can go to find out the ceiling based families. So here I will find out metric generic model ceiling based. Okay, right. So when I open that family, here you can able to see these two already the system developed that the reference plan. Now you can able to go to check in the front elevation. So this is your ceiling. Okay. So this is your ceiling based. Okay. So when you create something, it's based on this. When I select, here you can able to find out the name. It's called ceiling. Correct. Okay. So now we are creating based on the ceiling plan. Okay. So here I can go to find out to create the reference plan here, here, and I create the reference plan for. As usual, I can go to find out the annotation. Okay, so here you can use it like a label L1 or W1 with, or both you can able to change it same parameters. Now you can go to find out around 600 or 450 or something. Okay. So this is your reference plan you created. Again, here, this is your ceiling plan. So you can create one more reference somewhere here, the depth of element. Okay. So I can choose it like a D1. Okay. So I can make it like a 150. Okay. Okay. Right. Now I can go back to my reference ceiling to create my execution like this way to lock. Okay. And I can go back to create one more circle like this. Now you can check in the front. So it's showing like this way. So you can just select to lock and you can go to find out the lock somewhere here. Now you can see in the 3D, it's look like this. You can check with your model. It's look like this. So see, for example, now I can go to find out my depth is it's changing. Okay. So now you can go to find out the sweep, pick the path, and apply for the left to you. Or from here, you can do something. Okay. You can draw any type of profile here, like a lighting shade or something. Okay. But you should be close it. And you can make it like a glass. Okay. And apply. See, now you can able to see this one in the family. See, it's look like this. So you can choose this one like a light or something. Okay. Lighting cover. You can check it here. So, okay. So you can go back to your left and go to find out this one. So it's look like this. Okay. So this is the way you can create your model of family like this. So after that you can go to find out to load into project and you can able to load it in the project. Okay. So it will be work on your projects. So I hope you understand this one. Thank you so much.